A new trending app called Reface has risen due to its ability to animate your face on any picture. This is somewhat similar to the Wombo AI app, which creates deepfake videos, which we have done a tutorial on. However, this one doesn't only just animate your face, it also animates it on top of any picture that you choose, and also blends it in with editing technology, so it looks pretty cohesive. So today I'm going to show you how to use this app, and then afterwards I'm going to show you how you can turn your video into a GIF, so you can use it on social media, you can send it to your friends, or you even use it as a profile picture on certain websites using our free online video editor, Kapwing. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go to Reface in the App Store, and the first one to pop up will be it. You can see it has 425,000 reviews, so go ahead and download that and then open it. So there are a couple things you can do in Reface. Number one is that you can create videos using Reface, like this one where I put my face over Pam's in the office. This is just a really easy preset thing that you can do by clicking on one of the featured shows or one of the top 100 shows, and it'll just automatically put your face on top of these videos with the audio. There's no editing that you can do. It's very simple, but you can't really do much. There's not much customizability. So if you do want more customizability and you want to be able to animate your face on any photo, then you're going to go to this new feature that just came out called Face Place, which is right here. You can see the new feature is in the featured section. Then you can use one of their demo pictures if you want, which I will do now because obviously they're kind of made for this, but I'll also show you how to do this with one of your own pictures. So I'll do this one of the moon, and then you will click Add Face at the bottom. Now I've already taken a couple of faces right there, but you can use your camera to do it. So I could go like this and it'll put my face into here, and you're gonna wanna line it up, and then you can just press the capture button, and then it will process and you can click confirm. Then it'll take you to this menu where it gives you a little square face. So then you are able to move that around the screen, and that is where the face will place. So I'm gonna put it right in the middle of the moon and then click Reface. So there you can see that it has my face on the moon. You can see that it's made it like gray like the moon, so it blends in well. And then you're able to choose one of the animations from these below. You can click the See All button, and there's a bunch of songs that you can choose. They are all songs, but they do have a good variety. So I'm going to choose Barbie Girl. A lot of ads in this app, lots of ads. Okay, so there you have it. There is this video. I'm singing to Barbie Girl by Aqua. You can see that it does have the watermark, and the watermark moves in all four corners. So I'll show you how to fix that later. But then you can just download the video by clicking the Save button, and then it will save to your camera roll. And then I'm gonna show you how you can do this by yourself with any photo that you may want. So I'm gonna choose this photo that I took of myself in the bathroom when I went to get my eyes checked. And then click Add Face. So you can also choose another face from a photo, and I will do that this time just to show you. So you'll open up your photos, and then you can place a face. So I will choose this face. And then now I will move this little face on screen, and I want it to be my phone, and then click Done. So you can see my little face on my phone right there, and then I can choose another song. Okay, so then you can see that I am singing on my phone. Just in a few clicks, it's super, super easy. So yeah, you're able to animate any photo with your face for free on this app. It's really great. And then you're just going to click the Save button once again. So a couple of important things. You can see that these do have watermarks on them, and they bounce around between corners. So if you want to be able to crop that, we can help you out with that in our app Kapwing. And we're also going to turn this into a GIF in Kapwing so that you can send this around super easily, and you can also put it on social media. And it's just great to have in another format. So I'll show you how to do that using our free online video editor, Kapwing. Okay, hi guys. So the first thing you're gonna do is click the first link in the description and head to kapwing.com. Then you're just going to want to sign in. You can sign in with Google, Facebook, or your email, and I'll just make it so that when you export your video, it doesn't have a watermark from Kapwing. So then in your workspace, you're going to click New Content, and then what you're gonna wanna do is drag in your file. So I'm gonna go to my downloads and drag it in here. And here you can see my video is here, but you do see that it does have the watermarks here. So firstly, what I'm gonna do is just click the layer of the video, then click the crop button, and then I'm going to bring these down just below the crop on every side, or above the crop on the bottom. So you could do that, more of a landscape. You could do 16 by 9, which would be for, yeah, landscape for standard video. So for a YouTube video, this would work well. And for if you want to post this on TikTok or something, you can change it to 9 by 16 right here. And then you'll want to bring it in a little bit so that avoids these corners. So this should be good. So if you want, that can just be the end and you can export the video. However, if you want this to be a GIF to send to your friends, then you can go up to the export video button, but you'll see that there's a drop down little bar here. You want to click that, and then you can click the export as GIF button. Then when it's exporting, it'll export, like I said, as a GIF. And now you can just click the download button once it is processed. And then you can see here that it is in GIF form, so it has all of these frames of the GIF. And then you can save this wherever you want or send it off like any other GIF. All right, guys, that was it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to join an online community of modern creators. Also, check out our Discord so you can keep up with other Kapwingers and the Kapwing staff, and I'll see you guys in the next one.